barka da sallah ko to ngoni ha wakkati rende.
I love my work as a journalist. It gives me joy. Anytime I went into the studio, I feel so happy. It gives me more opportunities and freedom. Most of the time when I go out, I meet new people and people appreciate with what I am doing. So this is something that I am so proud of. I can also use this opportunity to advise journalists around the world. They should be more reliable and also they can be more neutral and focused. They should avoid any self-interest story that can bring any tension within a community. You can get me via online on Facebook at Yusuf Ishak Boba, TikTok Plaku TV, or through YouTube at Plaku TV. Thank you very much for being there with us.